Hi guys, today I will be showing you how I remove this wallpaper that has been, well actually it's a border of wallpaper that has been on these walls probably for about 20 years now. We painted the ceiling, and so before we paint the walls we're going to remove the wallpaper so that we can have a clean finish on the walls. I will be using a scraper and also a Tobi Steamer that I already have at the house. It's gonna disperse out some hot steam to help loosen the adhesive that is on the back of the wallpaper. And so what you see me doing here is that I had began to remove the wallpaper, but there were some areas that the adhesive stayed on the wall. So I'm just doing a couple of passes over that adhesive to help loosen it up with that hot steam. And you can see that as I take the passes over, the adhesive turns a dark tan color. And so on this side that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab my scraper and then just start scraping it off. And it comes off relatively easy as we're scraping it off. It doesn't damage the paint that is already there, but it doesn't matter because we're gonna repaint the walls anyway. But yeah, I'm just doing a couple of passes over the wallpaper. Just to help loosen it up. I will say that this is a tedious job, so make sure that you have some time to just take it off. And see, it just comes off easy. And here I'm just pulling it off with my fingers. That's how easy it comes off. And if you get to a place where it's not coming off as easy, just take your steamer and just go over it again. It just pulls right off. And so you still see some of the adhesive on the wall. So what I'm gonna do here is just show you some of the areas that still have some of the adhesive still on the wall. You can tell because it starts to turn a dark tan color once that steam hits it. But if it does not turn that dark tan color, that is just the actual color of our walls. And so now here is the finished product. All of the wallpaper has been removed. It does create a mess, which in our case, we're going to remove the carpet. So all of that wallpaper would just get rolled up in that carpet and taken to the dumpster. Thank you so much for watching my video.